Hi, this is a part 2 of Mount Shasta videos we are recording. This recording is from Lake Siskiyou from Mount Shasta. The key message I want to convey in this video is going to be understanding how to manifest fundamentally using a state of being. So the first point to understand is that the universe really mirrors, reflects your state back to you, your state of being. So your state of being is the one you need to control. It's basically like a mirror, right? You want to go to the mirror and you want to see a happy, wonderful, smiley face. You got to smile first. The mirror simply reflects who you are, what you are, the way you look like. So if you don't like the way it is, don't go to the mirror and change it. You're going to change yourself. So the first thing is that understanding you're going to get mirror reflection from the universe. So let's get your state, just how you look to the universe, which is your state of being. So whatever you want, you need, number two, and whatever you want, you need to align with your state. And that means your thoughts, your words, your actions have to be aligned with what you want. And if you are aligned, let's say you want money and you believe you're wealthy and you're not poor, and if you keep that position, universe will reflect back your actions, your thoughts, whatever you are. And finally, you got to stay persistent on the state and not be doubtful. And the more you doubt, that basically means that you are not believing in yourself, and the universe will also reflect back to you. So let's go a little deeper on this topic here. Now, the first topic I'm talked about is the state of being. Your thoughts, your words, your actions are the fundamental part of your state of being. And whatever you want, and you need to make sure you're aligned with that state. Let's say you want to be healthy, you believe that you have the wealth and the health you're looking for, and you got to align. You got to be, your thoughts should reflect that you have that desire, you have the wish. So if you enter the state that you already got something, you already have something, universe will automatically reflect back to you with a time lag. There's always a time lag. So I always say this universe is a mirror with a time lag. What you see in this distance is the Mount Chasta there. You can see that beautiful. And on the lake here is Lake Siskiyou in Mount Chasta. Continuing, your words should reflect that, what you say, and your action should also reflect that. You got to basically behave like a person you want to be. In this case, let's say you want to be a healthy person, or you want to be a wealthy person, or you want to have a good career, you want to have a relationship. And you got to be a person how the person will react and behave when the person has that. Could be wealth, could be health, with a relationship. And you got to be mimicking, acting the same way. You got to basically be the person that exhibits those qualities. Automatically, you will stay in that state. Your state of being, your thoughts, words, actions will reflect it. But it's not just that, because your belief come into the picture. You're going to say, hey, do I believe this stuff? And that's why your belief have to be aligned that, yes, I can, I have the ability, I have the knowledge, I have the capability, and I deserve it. And if you have that belief, automatically you will have no problem entering that state that you want to be in. You got to enter the state with the belief that you have it, or you're going to have it, or it's coming your way. So 3 cases here. Either you believe you have it, or you think it's on the way, or you believe it's going to come very shortly. Be one of those variations. The best is you already got it. But many people struggle with that. If you're struggling with it, then you believe, hey, it's on the way. It's going to come my way. I'm almost there. That's kind of easier to understand. Finally, all these really reflects back through your feelings and emotions. And that's how you vibrate. You tell the universe doesn't understand your thought directly. It understands the emotion and the state you are in. So you automatically enter the high vibration state if you have that feeling of your wish fulfilled, or if you have the feeling of being the person you want to be in. So be that with all your thoughts, words, actions, with the belief supporting you, automatically your feeling and emotions will also enter that state and then also reflect back the high vibration. Otherwise, you'll be low vibration and you won't be able to manifest it. So that's your clue there. Basically, a final destination is going to be your feeling and emotion. That's how you talk to the universe in terms of what you're looking for and what you are, who you are. Universe takes that desire, who you are, from your thoughts, words, and your vibration and your frequency. Make sure that's pristine. Make sure that reflects what you want to be. Automatically stay persistent, and sooner or later, universe or the creation or 3D reality will deliver that to you, will mirror that back to you. And that's the message from today from Mount Shasta, my second day. We'll continue more on this on the third day. See you guys soon on more messages. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.